Where's the music person? Okay. I just wanted to see if it was working. Well, let's see. I forgot about what today's lecture is about. Does anybody know? Eliminating thought. I don't have any thoughts about the lecture today. So we'll have to wing it. Well, since we last were here, we've been all around the country and talked here and there. And we've discovered that it's better to start the lecture from the end and work back to the front. So we'll start with the end. That way you don't have to listen to the rest. So, today has to do with, I believe, transcending thought. Isn't that what it's about? It has to do with a condition that is already in existence, and how to just become aware that it's already there and that you don't have to do anything about it. You can save many lifetimes by just getting a simple understanding of how things come about in the world, you see. And it'll save you all kinds of worry. Because a group like this, which calibrates quite high, the obstruction to enlightenment is really the intellect.